Buying a laptop for students is one tough decision that parents make, especially to those who are not into tech stuff. Even if you have a restricted budget, there are relatively low-cost laptops that can be used by students. Not many are made specifically for them, which is where the new ASUS BR1100F comes in. Hello there, Tech Buddies! Welcome to Tech and Things. This channel is created for product unboxing, product review, and preview of gadgets that we already have in our house or further tech that we want or interested in. Recently, my 10-year-old laptop broke down and cannot be repaired anymore. This was being used by my kid for her online class. I have stumbled upon a number of options looking for the right gadget for this specific purpose. For this content, we will review the ASUS BR1100F specs, features, and performance. This was already open for testing in the shop where we bought it for 20,995 pesos, a bit higher than the SRP of 19,995 pesos. Let's check the laptop later and check the other contents of the box. It comes with a user guide, stylus manual, and a warranty document. As standard, it comes with a power cord and charger which is very small. As you can see, it's even smaller than the palm of my hand. It also comes with a laptop sleeve. The sleeve included in the box was made with high quality. It's big enough to fit the laptop, charger, cables, and a mouse. The BR1100F is built with US military-grade durability standard. It's designed to withstand knocks, bumps, and even a 4-feet drop, such as drops from a desk or table. Since overheating is not an issue with Celeron processors, the chassis of the laptop does not have any ventilation holes or fans, making it anti-dust in a way. The underside is secured attached using captive screws, eliminating worries about losing these little parts during repairs. The top cover also has a light indicator. This enables educators to see at a glance if a particular student's laptop is facing internet connectivity or power problems in a classroom setup. These are the ports on the left side of the BR1100F. ASUS BR1100F features a precision stylus with dock that helps you when you're drawing, taking notes, or marking up documents. The built-in stylus holder means it's always with the laptop, and there's less chance of losing it. These are the ports on the right side of the BR1100F. ASUS BR1100F has an 11.6-inch multi-touch panel for modern learning experiences. The screen is also certified for blue light emissions, potentially helping to protect children's eyes from damage. Noise-reducing camera on the ASUS BR1100F webcam eliminates the random noise that naturally affects any camera, especially in low-light conditions. It features AI noise-canceling technology that employs machine learning in order to isolate unwanted noise from human speech. Other than the standard webcam, the BR1100F includes a special world-facing, high-resolution camera located just above the keyboard, an ideal position that makes the device easier to hold in portrait mode. The typing area feels a bit cramped for adult hands, but that's not who it's designed for. It should be fine for young students. It's also spill-resistant up to 300cc. The BR1100F also has a modular design for easy repair, which you don't see much these days. This allows for key parts such as keyboard, battery, thermal module, and ports to be easily replaced if required. Based from the parts, RAM is not upgradable while storage can be expanded via the M.2 slot. Here are the system specs for the ASUS BR1100F. With its 360 any position hinge, ASUS BR1100F is able to turn into different operating modes. Presentation mode is very useful for presentations in school. In this mode, Windows Tablet mode can be enabled, but be mindful of placing the laptop in this mode frequently, since the keyboard buttons hit the surface and may damage it if it's rough. Tent mode can be used when you want to study, review, or mark documents and don't need the keyboard. It is same as using it in tablet mode, but relieving your arms of carrying it for a long time. Tablet mode is best used when you want to draw using the built-in stylus. It is very useful as well during taking exams, making the usual setup available during distance learning. Using the stylus is very natural and fun when writing or drawing since it's very responsive. This is because it features a 4096 level pressure sensitivity. The included stylus is quick to charge with a 15-second top-up providing enough juice for 45-minute use. For the front camera, it is adequate considering it is a 720p resolution camera. It is good for online school and you can activate HDR as well. For the world-facing camera, the 13-megapixel camera is surprisingly clear and very well in taking shots, especially in a classroom setup. I can say that kids can even use this to take pictures casually of places and other things because of its quality. We have tried and tested the BR1100F in different meeting apps like Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and Zoom. Its performance is decent and the distance learning was improved and added fun because of the features of this laptop. Battery lasted for 6 hours on heavy use, but according to ASUS, it can last up to 8 to 10 hours on light usage. In summary, the ASUS BR1100F laptop, considering all the specs and features, was really made for students. Its robust build is designed for classroom or school setup, and its camera, stylus, and connectivity is very capable for distance learning. Having the touchscreen and responsive stylus makes it interactive for kids who love to draw even outside school hours. Initially, I was hoping that the RAM can be upgraded as well, but I think since the processor is a Celeron, high volume of processes was not the main purpose of this laptop. I'm planning to add an SSD via the expansion slot on this laptop and transfer the OS from the eMMC to the SSD to improve its performance. Stay tuned for new content on our channel for more tech and things. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.